Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Vaibhav Gawar. Today I'll be solving lead code problem number 2331, evaluate Boolean binary tree. So this is a basic, very easy and very uh, crazy, and for beginner level it's very best question. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna solve this question. So like what we're gonna do is just let's start solving this question. So I'm just gonna explain it to you what all this thing is written here, so that whoever the new guy is here, they can also process this question and start solving on its own. Okay, so you are given a root of the fully binary tree with the following properties. So leaf node have either the value 0 or 1, where the 0 represent false and 1 represent true. So basically they are saying that leaf node means leaf dot right or the leaf dot right left is equal to null. That means those are going to be the leaf node. So if that is the case, then we either return 1 or 0, which is 1 means true and 0 means false. That's the statement is stating. Now comes the now no non-leaf nodes have either the value 2 or 3. So what is 2 or 3 means? So other than leaf nodes, there are going to only the leaf nodes are going to have the value 1 or 0, but other than leaf node, which is not having any next value to be null, are going to have either 2 or 3. So 2 means we are going to perform OR operation, 3 means we are going to perform AND operation. Okay, so this is what they are stating. So after which the question remains to this statement, which is saying the evaluation of the node is as follows. So evaluate the problem, we are just simply going to start if the node is leaf node, the evaluation of the value of the node is true or false. So that is already mentioned here, correct? So otherwise evaluate the node, two operations, apply the Boolean operation its value with the children's evaluation. So what is children? So as you can see, this is a parent and these two are going to be children of this guy. This guy is going to be children. So again for this he is going to be the children sub parent, and these are going to be his children. So basically they are going to evaluate. So these at the end, these are the children's. They'll each going to send false or true depending on what they have with them. So if there is 0 with them, he'll send false. If he has 1 with him, he'll send 1 true. So after which the AND operation will be performed, that will be combined. So what is the false and true is going to be? False and true, that means 0 and 1 is going to be 0 itself, right? 0. So the AND operation now will be converted to 0. Now what is the true? And now in the next step, this 0 will send to the upper part and this true will be sent, which is 1, which is sent onto the OR part, and then the parent will evaluate the operations coming from the bottom going to the top. So basically that's what's happening. Cool. So I'm just gonna start by simply adding base case, which is root dot left if it is null, or root dot right is equal to null. Then in that case, that means if my pointer reaches this point, this having no left children and no right children, so that case I'm just gonna send root dot whatever the value has. And if that root dot value is 1, because they have 0 and 1 on them, so if it is 1, we are going to send true, otherwise we are going to send false. So that's the base case. Upon doing so, we are going to simply evaluate the operation. So if root dot value is equal to 2, that means we have to perform our operations. So we will evaluate 3 and root dot, we are going to take the root operation, evaluate, going to take the answer from the left tree subtree, and we are going to take the answer from the right subtree. Cool. And at the end, otherwise there is, because we have handled 0 and 1 here in this final loop, we are handling 0 and 1 value, here we are handling 2. Now the only thing remains is 3, right? Because 0, 1, 2 has evaluated. Then if it is coming 3, then we are going to perform this same operation, but we are going to perform AND instead of OR. Okay, cool. So that's the question. Cool. Should work, yeah. Cool. Submit it. I should get accepted. I solved this a question in 2022 and I'm solving it again. Let's see what is the difference between the last solution which I solved. Okay, 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 okay. So this is a very good solution, I guess. No, this is BFS and this is recursion. Cool. Great. So this is the question. I hope you enjoyed this video and yeah, meet you in the next one.